All right, so this question says, Anne received some money from her grandmother. Anne spent $10 and gave 3/4 of what was left to Beth. Beth spent $10 and gave 2/5 of what was left to Carly. Carly spent $5 and gave 2/3 of what was left to Deb. If Deb received $2 from Carly, how much money did Anne receive from her grandmother? So this question is asking, how much money did Anne receive from her grandmother? So to do this, we'll be working backwards. First, I'll make a table. Got Anne, Beth, Carly, and not that, Deb. All right, so to work backwards, we'll put each of their amounts according to what we get. All right, first we know that Deb received $2 from Carly. Now, it says Carly spent $5 and gave 2/3 of what was left to Deb. But first, I'll color the sentences so it's easier to see. There. Now, we're working on the red sentence. It says Carly spent $5 and gave 2/3 of what was left to Deb. All right, so the $2 that Deb received must be the 2/3 after Carly spent $5, of course. So I'll represent 2/3 over here on this table. Not exactly a table, on this drawing. All right, so the $2 Deb has is 2/3, so 1/3 must be $1. So Carly has $3 in total after she spends $5. Since we want to find out how much Carly received from Beth, we'll give her $8, which is the 3 she had after she spent $5 and those $5 that she spent. Now I'll erase the drawing since we should have no further need of it. All right, now we will work on the green sentence. The green sentence says, Beth spent $10 and gave 2/5 of what was left to Carly. All right, so the $8 Carly has must be 2/5 of Beth's money after she spent $10. All right, if $8 is 2/5, then 1/5 must be $4. All right, so that means Beth had $20 after she spent $10, right? So that means she received $30 from Anne. Now I'll erase the drawing. And we move on to the blue sentence. The blue sentence states that Anne spent $10 and gave 3/4 of what was left to Beth. All right, so the $30 that Beth received must be 3/4 of Anne's money after she spent $10. Now, if $30 is 3/4, we could see that 1/4 would be $10. Therefore, Anne's money is $40 after she spends $10. And 40 plus 10 is 50. So Anne originally had $50. There. And now we will check it. Okay, we know that Deb has $2, but now we'll work forwards with all and check if all these sentences match up with our answer. So first it says Anne spent $10 and gave 3/4 of what was left to Beth. 50 minus 10 is 40, and 3/4 of 40 is 30, which is what Beth received. So the blue sentence lines up with our answer so far. All right. Now it says Beth spent $10 and gave 2/5 of what was left to Carly. All right. So after Beth spends $10, she should have $20, and 2/5 of 20 is 8, which is what Carly received. Now for the red sentence. It says Carly spent $5 and gave 2/3 of what was left to Deb. 8 minus 5 is 3, and 2/3 of 3 is 2. And that is what Deb received. So our answer that Anne originally had $50 is correct.